Anyway, she said to me, what would we do if one of the horses kicked it and hurt it? I said,
Tough
fuck
shit.
off fast.
Yeah.
I said, that's what we do. You don't hang around.
No.
We're not from this area, it's all good. No one's going to know it first.
Well, if it's loose, it's not your fault anyway.
It came flying out of its garden across the ditch. But the problem is with loose dogs and horses, it's proving who's in the wrong
Oh, right.
when it comes to court
You're
and
right
that.
this side.
It comes down to being able to prove it.
Yeah.
9 times out of 10, the horses are in their horses
Yeah.
are getting in the wrong. So she said, why do we just fuck off quick? But it
Now
might
look.
be a time when it won't fucking do it again then, will it?
Steady, Mo.